can't remember what stage video where I'm at because I'm not posting this yet. I done probably got like 3 episodes and I hadn't posted yet, so I can't remember. But I don't know if I told you on one of these other videos. This is the carburetor that come off of here. So I'm gonna try this one first with a governor and see how it works. I'm gonna try to keep it in the speed limit, 22 miles an hour. Then I got this one. I bought, all I do is just make a little adapter go on there and put this 2-stroke carburetor on there. And I see them getting a different breather because this breather, the holes are too small. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drill me some more holes in here. But I kind of like this because the gas throttle will be easy to hook up. So I don't what I'm gonna do yet. Here's the gear for the back, for the pedal part. That just screws on your rear end. And once it bottoms out, now you're ready to ride. It ratchets backwards, but you see it wants to lock forward. So you just cruise. I wish I could find this gear here, or I could make it coast down the road the same way this is. I thought about modify this thing to work on that side, but I don't know. Well, this is what I've done with my torque converter. I made my own spacer to go on here. The reason why I done that, I took this, in order to get this gear out the back where I wanted it, I had to bring this in closer. So I put, that allowed me to go no further with my, see that lines me up in there with my torque, with my 2 gears, my belt gear, belt drive, it lines it up. So, this is 5/8. All I could find was a 1-inch torque converter. That's all I could find. So I had to make a 5/8 to 3/4 bushing. Find what I did with it. Here it is right here. Now that'll go in there. Now I might have to cut some of this off, because I can see it's way too long. Find something to tap that in with. Come on now, we're acting silly. That go like that, then this will slide on there to make my tight ass 5/8. Let me get a little brass hammer. I got my brass hammer. A little tight, but that's good. That's got to be cut off to the right length. Now that allows me to put, turn this motor over. When you see the keyway, see that keyway right there? Now that's got a keyway inside of it. Now we got a 1-inch shaft, used to be 5/8. There we go. Whoop, there we are. A little tight. That's all right. Now, this has got a keyway in it, and this got to go on there. Just like that. And I think this goes next. Like that. Then, this goes next. I'm going to use this bracket right here to hang these blinkers. They'll be sticking over here, something like this on each side. If I get it up there right one-handed. Like that, one on each side. So I'm going to machine me a little block to go up there. It'll bolt to this, and this I can go in there and put the nut on. I try to find out what size thread it is, and I can't find out what size it is. So I want to just tap the hole and screw it in there, and put a nut on and jam it. But no, it don't work that way. Well, I was going to be smart on this. I got it all milled out. Now I was going to drill this hole all the way down and drill through the bottom. But, you see what it hit right there? dummy. So I got to flip it over and drill it. All right, I got the blinkers on there. They don't look too bad. I need to turn that one down and up. But what I did was machine that in the back. We get it where you see it. I machined that in the back to where the bolts would miss. Then that piece in the middle will have a square hole in it, and that's wedged in there tight. So that's pretty tight in there. So when it's said and done, I'll pull them screws out and I'll put some Loctite on it. All right, there it is. I got it clamped with some clamps right now. So I got my right blinker, my left blinker. I ordered an LED headlight to go up here. And looking at the description, it looked that big. And I didn't think about find the measurement on the measurement. But this is what I got here. It's a universal LED headlight. It's pretty doggone bright. But I was going to send it back, not put it on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. I think it'll look pretty good up there. I'm going to stick it on there. Yeah, I know. It's going to kill your battery quick, but I don't care. I got a battery going up under there. Right now I'm having a problem with getting this chain lined up. You hear the noise when I do it. Hear that popping noise? I can't get this thing lined up. So I've been stuck on this while trying to line this up. And this is where it is. I cut it off. If that's out of whack, I'm about to cut that. That thing welded good on there. Trust me, it's welded good. I needed to show y'all the video how I did it, but here's one piece of 1/8 flat bar running around route. Another piece of 1/8 flat bar pulled in an angle in the back. Then I have another piece of 1/8 flat bar coming across to this. Then I have a piece of flat bar on top. So it's pretty doggone rigid. I didn't want it to move. But I'm working on that. I gotta get my exhaust brakes. I'm gonna hook it to this. So see how that wobble? You don't want that. It won't take longer to break off. But I do have a clamp that goes right here. I got a little U-clamp I made. I don't know where it's at right now. But anyway, I got one somewhere. We'll put it on there. There it is. Just a little U-clamp that goes in here. Alright, this is what we ain't got done. I got a few little issues. I got the motor all lined up, and tire turned out kind of good business, and all that junk. But the issue I'm having now is the torque converter. The belt is too tight. If you see I'm turning the engine down and turn the back tire. If you crank it up and try to hold the back tire, all you do is stall the engine. If I try to hold the back tire on my foot, it would just stall the engine down and idling. I don't know why it's so tight. So what I'm about to do is take the 4 bolts in here and the in here. I'll show you on this one. This one here. These 4 bolts. This one, this one, this one, and this one. It's angled that way. So I'm going to have to take and cut it back a little bit here, cut it back here, and cut it back here, and cut it back here. What that'll do, that'll let this, not cut it back, yeah, cut it back so the whole thing can slide forward a little bit. Once it slides forward, it'll give me some slack in the belt. It's just too tight. You ain't got no slack in there whatsoever. I don't know why it's so tight. When I do that, it means I have to redo my mount here for my muffler here. That'd be all right. We'll fire it out. Let you see it. Oh, let me show you I got some of this stuff already on here for my headlights and blinkers and kill switch and start button I never use and blinkers and blah 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 bling bling bling. and I'll have all this stuff hooked up here shortly. But right now it does pretty good. I'll show you the shock on it works pretty good. Well, I had to take the shock off to lift up and down. I ain't gonna do it, but you lift up down on the wheel, up and down on the wheel, and the chain doesn't get slack at all. It rides right with it. So I'm happy with that. So I'll fire it up and let you see it run. Let's see the back tire move with the engine. It's working good. All right, now you can see this plate is shifted that way. So the belt will be a little bit longer now, so we'll find out in a minute if it's a little bit longer. Alright, I got it back going. Yeah, now I'll put my foot on the tire back here. I can stop it. And see it still. That's what I want right there. Before it wouldn't do that. It would stall the engine down. See, the belt's flipping now. Now let go of it. Of course it's going to grab because it's got some kind of friction. But that's perfect right there. Got the throttle hook, got this 2-stroke carburetor hook. I'm gonna port me a hole in right there to put this fitting, to put this suction hose straight into there, so we can have it in there. See the torque wheel working? Camera goes out. Sounds a little wicked. Too much stuff in my hands. I lost my hat. I gotta put my hat, thought I'd put my hat somewhere. I like them squeaky brakes, pretty good, ain't it? Put my hat in my pants right here. Now let's roll. Stupid GPS trying to cut off. Now it's back on. Come on. Now we're back on the road again.
nice brakes, ain't they? Well, the day I got 33 out of it. Today, only got 30 out of it. I don't know if you can see it right there. Come back on. See right there, it's the maximum speed 30. I can get the 30 out of it. I got 33 the other day, so I don't know what's going on. Now I'm getting 34 out of there, I don't know why. I guess we ain't running up against the wind as fast. These brakes real bad. Lost my hat. Put it in my belt from my pants. Lost it. Let's see what we got up to. I don't know if you can see it, but right there you can see it says 34. Alrighty. Hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification button, so in case if I have some more video, I'll have some more to this, because I'm putting a seat on here. I'm going to cut this, I'm lowering this carburetor down. I'm going to 45 it down and 45 it again. So this carburetor probably be down almost as low as this bracket right here. I don't know if I got the camera port, I got it on my chest. But then I'm going to cut this, I'm going to angle this down, angle this down back to here. So my seat going to sit like this. That's where it's going to sit. It's a long seat, about this long. Alright, appreciate for watching. Catch you later, bye.